Get ready. Five, four, three, two, one.
Start. In Canara Bank versus VK Avasthi in 2005, bracket 6, SCC 321. This court held that the concept of natural justice has undergone a great deal of change in recent years. As observed in para 8 of the said judgment, natural justice is another name for common sense justice. Rules of natural justice are not codified canons, but they are principal ingredients into the conscience of men. Natural justice is the administration of justice in a common sense liberal way. Justice is based substantially on natural ideas and human values. In para 12 of the said judgment, it was observed what is meant by the term principle of natural justice is not easy to determine. Lord Summer bracket then Hamilton LJ bracket close in RV local government board bracket 1914 bracket it 1 KB LJKB 86 described the phrase as sadly lacking its precision. In Journal Council of Medical Education and Registration of UK, V. Spaceman 1943 ACC Lord Wright observed that it was not desirable to attempt to force it into any prosecution bed. In state of Maharashtra versus Public Concern for Governance Trust and others 2007 bracket 3 SCC, it was observed bracket wide para 39 bracket close. In our opinion, when an authority takes a decision which may have civil consequences and affects the rights of a person, the principles of natural justice would at once come into play. In our opinion, non-communication of entries in the annual confidential report of a public servant, whether he is civil, judicial, police, or any other services, bracket other than the military, certainly has civil consequences because it may affect his chances for promotion or get other benefits, bracket as already discussed above. Hence, such non-communication would be arbitrary and as such violative of Article 14 of the Constitution. In view of the above, we are of the opinion that both the learned single judge as well as the learned division bench add in law. Hence, we set aside the judgment of the learned single judge as well as the impugned judgment of the learned division bench. We are informed that the appellant has already retired from service. However, if he representation for upgradation of the good entry is allowed, he may benefit in his pension and get some areas. Hence, we direct that the good entry in 1993-94 be communicated to the appellant forthwith, and he should be permitted to make a representation against the same praying for its upgradation. If the upgradation is allowed, the appellant should be considered forthwith for promotion as superintending engineer retrospectively. And if he is promoted, he will get the benefit of higher pension and the balance of areas of pay along with 8% per annum interest. We therefore direct that the good entry be communicated to the appellant within a period of 2 months from the date of receipt of the copy of the judgment. On being communicated, the appellant may make the representation. If so chooses against the said entry within 2 months thereafter, and the said representation will be decided within 2 months thereafter. If he is his entry is upgraded, the appellant shall be considered for promotion retrospectively by the departmental promotion committee within 3 months thereafter, and if the appellant gets selected for promotion retrospectively, he should be given higher pension with arrears of pay and interest at the rate 8% per annum till the date of payment. With these observations, this appeal is allowed. No cost. Stop.